Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. The flower piping technique that I want to share with you today is hibiscus. This hibiscus flower is the flower that you requested from the comment. If there is any flower you want to see, please leave a comment. We are gonna also see how to create gradation color on this video. Let's get started. We're gonna start off by making color. Add some red and burgundy into your buttercream. And we're gonna try another color to make gradation. To make orange color, we need burgundy, golden yellow, and brown. Let's make the gradation with these two colors. Prepare the piping bag with number 124 KT. This tip is thin on one part and a little thicker on the other. I'm gonna put orange color on thicker side and red color should be on opposite side. Then we can see two colors separated obviously. Please massage your piping bag only on dividing line, not the whole piping bag. Then we can see the cream goes through the tip with natural looking gradation. We need G.G. white-shaped flower nail and aluminum foil. The feature of hibiscus is that the inside is dented. That's why we need a white-shaped flower nail, not flat one. Make the circle like donut shape. We're gonna make total 5 petals. They should be started to make from the inside of donut. And the tip of each petal should be reached to the edge of the flower nail. All the petal has many wrinkles. To make the stamen, we're gonna use number 2 tip with red color. From the center of flower, start to pipe toward the upside to stand itself. And pipe several dots with very small amount of buttercream on the middle of it. Change your color and tip to yellow and number 0. On the top of the support, make the little dots. That's it. Let's see one more from the other side. To divide the space for making exact 5 petals, we can mark by putting some buttercream like this. When you press your piping bag hard, you can make more wrinkle on your petals. When we finish, we are going to put the flower in the freezer for 20 minutes. Then, we can use the flower after removing the foil. After you pipe the flower, don't forget to put the flower with foil in the freezer for 20 minutes before you use it. Plus, don't forget like and subscribe my channel too. Okay, always thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video very soon. Bye!